In today's video, we're going to talk about ApeCoin, Cardano, and Lossless. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks with Webull. You can get up to $12,000 worth of free stocks. Also, a great way to save some money on your car insurance. As you guys know, the crypto market right now is very unpredictable. We're pretty much stuck in no man's land. We will probably head even lower, but right now we are at this point where it's like, are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to stay flat? Nobody knows. There's literally so much uncertainty in the markets right now. Also, a lot of negative stuff happening with exchanges, lending platforms, and pretty much the entire crypto space in general. So I just wanted to check in and talk about some of the projects that I personally invested in the bull run, such as Lossless, Cardano, ApeCoin, and I wanted to give you guys an update on what I'm doing with my positions, where I think the market is going, where I think these coins are headed to, and stuff like that. And now let's jump right into it and talk about ApeCoin. Personally, I like ApeCoin. I'm still holding a nice size position, even though I'm down big time on the position that I'm holding. As you guys know, I invested a decent amount into ApeCoin, literally invested $35,000, and a couple weeks later made a ton of profits. I ended up selling, got in my $35,000 back, plus a ton of profits. But I ended up keeping a nice size position in Ape as well. And since then, that position is down a ton. Right now, ApeCoin is just over $5, but I think the future looks very bright for ApeCoin. Over the last couple of days, we have seen a lot of information about staking, and they are working very hard to bring staking into ApeCoin. So I'm super excited about that. I think once staking is fully released, that will cause a nice little rally with ApeCoin. And I think a lot of people are going to stake their ape to earn more. Also guys, if you check out the KuCoin link in the description box below, you'll be able to lend your ApeCoin to earn even more. They have amazing APY rates from 30 to 40%. That is what I'm personally doing with my ApeCoin position. I'm simply lending and earning more every single day. Also, a recent unconfirmed leak of the ApeCoin roadmap shows a lot of things happening in 2022 and 2023. One other thing that I would like to mention, ApeCoin is relatively new. So if you look at the price right now around $5, it can definitely go lower to 4 to 3 to 2 to possibly even $1. It doesn't have these support levels like all these other coins that have been around for 5-6 years. So be very careful with ApeCoin. The price can drop big time, but also it can go up big time as well. Personally, I'm just holding on to my ApeCoin, lending it on KuCoin, and earning more. I believe the future looks very bright for ApeCoin, and I think next bull run, this coin is going to perform extremely well. And now let's quickly talk about Cardano. Right now, Cardano is around 47 cents. It is down big time from its all-time highs of $3. I got into Cardano under 10 cents and I made over 6 figures in the last bull run with Cardano, but I still have a huge position in ADA. As of right now, I'm simply holding. I'm not selling any ADA. I'm not buying more. I'm simply chilling and waiting for the price to go even lower before I start accumulating even more. Right now, Cardano is gradually pushing through most of its network building phases. The Basha phase, the fourth of the 5 stages of Cardano developing plans, is progressing. As you guys know, Cardano went through 3 other building phases: Gauguin, Byron, and Shelley, which provided smart contracts, the foundation, and decentralization. The Cardano network recently completed the hard fork for Vasil on its testnet. This latest successful move prepares the network for upcoming upgrades on the mainnet. This upgrade will improve scalability and performance, and hopefully in the long term, this will cause the price of Cardano to go even higher. The Vassal upgrade is expected to be launched end of July, beginning of August. So hopefully during that time, we see a nice little spike in Cardano. But as you guys know, things in crypto get postponed, they get pushed to later dates. Also guys, I'm a big fan of Cardano. I think it will survive the bear market, and in the next bull run I think it will perform extremely well. So I feel very comfortable holding my Cardano bag. And now let's quickly talk about Lossless. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite low cap gems. Right now, the market cap for Lossless is just 9 million, which is extremely low for an amazing project such as Lossless. Right now, Lossless is around 18 cents. It is down big time from its all-time highs of around $2.50. Personally, I invested in Lossless, took some profits, but I had a huge moon bag. That moon bag right now is not worth much, but I'm still holding my entire Lossless position, and I think it is a great long-term play, especially in the low cap category. So I'm definitely keeping all of my coins. As you guys know, Lossless is an amazing project that pretty much prevents hacks and is able to retrieve tokens when some exchange or platform or token is hacked. I believe Lossless is definitely needed in this space. That is why I feel very comfortable holding all of my Lossless. Just this month alone, they were able to retrieve 78 million back from the Harmony 1 hack, which is definitely impressive. So pretty much any project that has their token integrated into the Lossless protocol will be able to take full advantage of these benefits. And if they get hacked or there's a thief that steals a ton of crypto, Lossless will be able to retrieve that money. That is definitely needed in this space, especially right now with all the crazy things happening. I believe Lossless has a very bright future. Also, over the last month or so, Lossless has pretty much hit the bottom and now it is slowly recovering. This is another project that I will be accumulating in the bear market. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. I've been recording for like 20 minutes now. It's getting dark out. But if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to give you guys updates on other coins that I previously talked about, drop them in the comment section below and I'll gladly include them in the next update. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And see you in the next video. Peace out.